Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm riding from Rupnagar, just a little bit north of Chandigarh, which is one of the biggest cities in the north of India. Uh, I'm riding towards Manali. Manali is the town where you start climbing to the Himalayas to the north. The biggest city just before Leh. Uh, Yeah, finally, after 10 days of monsoon, I started riding in better conditions, dry roads, uh, not warm but not so hot, and a little bit cloudy too. Yeah, yesterday I stayed in Rupnagar, and today heading to Manali. Tonight probably I'll meet with Nazim and start riding to Leh together. Hi again, people. It's tomorrow already because I didn't do a lot of recording yesterday. Now this morning we started from Manali to Leh. We've got around 450 kilometers in front of us, and it's going to take 2 days because it seems short for a motorbike ride, but the conditions of the road, in these conditions, you can only ride it in 2 days. You can see a lot of motobikers, especially Royal Enfields, Himalayans, around, because this route from Manali to Leh is one of the most popular motorbike routes in the world. There are a lot of tourists coming from all around the world to Delhi and coming to Manali by tourist buses, and from Manali they rent their bikes for 1 or 2 weeks and 3 even longer, and then they take tours, sometimes single or sometimes as groups, ride to the north. I think actually it is one of the best ways to ride in the north of India, because to come to here like me, riding all the way from Turkey or from Europe, it's like killing yourself on the road, because really, really difficult and takes a lot of time, a lot of money, but it's so simpler to come here flying and rent a bike and do the best route, one of the best routes in the world, and go back to your country flying. Well, yeah, this is my adventure. Maybe if I come back again, I'll do the second way by plane. Well, yes, last night actually, Nazim came around 9 p.m. I was in Manali in the afternoon. I took some rest and had something to eat and waited for Nazim to arrive. He came just a couple of hours after me. He was right from Chandigarh to Manali, and then he was tired, and we ate something and went back quickly to get some rest and be ready for the morning ride. And this morning around 8 o'clock we started with these perfect conditions. Yeah, as you can see, the views are amazing. It's unbelievable. It's you can't ride properly watching. Normally you want to ride fast, but here there are great views. In this tunnel, they opened a couple of years ago. Before the tunnel, there was a pass climbing to around 3,500 meters. But now, and for about, I don't know, another 50 or 60 kilometers. But this tunnel connects to the valley in just 15 minutes, and it is a brand new tunnel, and the road constructions are still going on to the way to Leh. Well, as far as I know, uh, nearly half of the road to Manali is paved like this. I mean, there are, yeah, some constructions, but we have to pass three passes, at least three passes over 4,000 meters, one of which is over 5,000. So we are prepared to. Actually, we're not prepared, but we hope we can do it without getting any problem. We have to face the um, altitude sickness. I don't know how is it going to affect us, but well, we hope we can do it. Yeah, we carry on riding in the valleys and passes and top of the mountains, but we are still in around 3,000 meter, 2,500 meters. As you can see, there are forests and trees, but as we start ascending, they're going to disappear. But the road condition is really awesome, and the views, you can't stop looking around. You see. Yes, tonight we are going to stay in Sarchu, the which is in between Leh and Manali. So it's the, you can say it's the halfway to Leh. And we've got around 250 kilometers to Sarchu from Manali. And Keelong is the last point before Sarchu that we can get some petrol. Because there's no filling station after that. So we found out this from some other motobikers like 20 minutes ago, and we're now going back to get some petrol from like 10 kilometers. We have to ride back 10 kilometers, and then we'll carry on. The Sartre is around 4,000 meters, and we have to climb twice over 5,000 meters, and then descend to Sartre, which is located in 4,000 meters. And after that, there's another pass tomorrow that we have to cross to make it to Leh.
सूरत एरिया के कर दिए कन्नी जाते किनारू पे दारे जाते किनारू पे दारे सूरत एरिया के कर दिए कन्नी जाते किनारू पे दारे जाते किनारू पे दारे.
Yes, now we are quite happy riding towards Sarchu. We meet some other bikers, stop for some food and drink on the way, and there are a lot of bikers passing. Single, like couples or big groups. There are some guided tours as well. We had something to eat just 10 minutes ago. A hamburger. It was a burger shop. A tiny cabin with the valley view. And then now we are even happier after these burgers, and carry on to Sarchu. Yeah, still climbing. Before here we climbed around 3,500, and we just descended to 3,000s again, and now we started climbing again. So it's the road is going up and down, but mainly up, and just opposite you can see the lower parts of Himalaya, probably 4 or 5,000 meters. And there are, sometimes you can see some glaciers between the valleys. You can see there are mountains. There are over 6,000. Yeah. Uh, so we've got another 2 hours uh, to make it one of the passes. Uh, but there are some other viewpoints and landmarks. You can see some signs telling bro. Bro is the border r- road organization or something like this in Indian. So they are responsible for building the roads. And there are certain checkpoints that you have to sign in, and even you have to pay to cross certain sections. We paid once, and probably there's one more. Yeah, here's now we are passing through a small village. Probably there's another waypoint there, and or a pass. Yeah, we are coming towards. It's cloudy, which makes it really easy to ride because weather is quite warm, mainly. But when you don't get the direct sunlight, it makes it really easier to ride. So we get some wind as well. Yes, I'm really excited. Yeah, the mountains are coming closer, and yes, there's one uh, border information. Yes, this is one of the passes. Probably people taking photos.
Paslardan bir tanesi galiba. Pas. Evet. I will go there with my bike. Yeah. Yeah, you know how to do it. Gel abi gel. Yeah.
Can you do a favor for me? Can I click one photograph by sitting on your bike?
Sitting on my bike.
Just one photograph, please. No. Part
Because it's gonna rain.
Just last photograph.
I have to
and-
go,
and
yes.
leave. This last photo, you go.
ਪੂਰਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਆਗੇ ਕਰਦੀ ਏ ਕੰਨੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿਨਾ ਰੁਪੇਦਾਰੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿਨਾ ਰੁਪੇਦਾਰੇ ਪੂਰਾ ਤੇਰੀ ਆਗੇ ਕਰਦੀ ਏ ਕੰਨੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿਨਾ ਰੁਪੇਦਾਰੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿਨਾ ਰੁਪੇਦਾਰੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਕਿਨਾ ਰੁਪੇਦਾਰੇ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੰਨ ਤੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਦੰਦ ਕੇ ਪਗਤਾ ਕਿਨਾ ਰੁਪੇਦਾਰੇ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਕੰਨ ਤੇ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਦੰਦ ਕੇ ਪਗਤਾ ਕਿਨਾ ਰੁਪੇਦਾਰੇ
We bought it already. We bought it.
Stop.
We bought it.
No. We did check the passport.
What?
We did check the passport.
Oh, okay. Right.
ਸੁਰ ਤੇਰੀ ਆਗੇ ਕਰਦੀ ਏ ਕੰਨੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਕਿਨਾਂ ਰੁੱਟਦਾਰੇ